If you think TypeScript's private keyword hides your data at runtime, it doesn't. JavaScript has a completely different mechanism for true privacy, and interviewers love asking about the difference. JavaScript private fields use the hash symbol as a prefix. Hash name, hash count, hash password. Regular class properties use plain names and are public by default, meaning any code outside your class can freely read or modify them. Private fields flip that default entirely. They are only accessible from inside the class where they are defined. Period. Here is what makes private fields special. The JavaScript engine itself enforces the restriction at runtime. If you try to access a private field from outside the class using dot notation, you get a syntax error. Try bracket notation with the hash name as a string and you get undefined. The engine never exposes the field to the normal property lookup mechanism. Proxies and reflection cannot reach it either. There are genuinely no escape hatches. 2 more points that separate strong answers. First, private fields must be declared upfront in the class body. You cannot add them dynamically after the fact the way you can with regular properties. The declaration is required. Second, TypeScript's private keyword is compile time only. It gets stripped when TypeScript compiles to JavaScript, so at runtime that property is completely accessible. JavaScript's hash fields are enforced by the engine itself. TypeScript's private is closer to a linting rule. Use hash private fields when you need real runtime encapsulation. TypeScript's private is a compile time hint, not a lock. Try bypassing both in your browser console and see the difference yourself. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.